Welcome to ShipSaving. Today, we'll show you how to quickly get a shipping rate using our Quick Rate feature. First, go to the dashboard and click Quick Rate to begin. Now, enter your shipping details. For domestic shipping, enter the zip codes for the ship from and ship to addresses. Next, choose your packaging. You can select a carrier-provided package or manually enter the length, width, height, and weight for a custom package to get the most accurate rate. Once you've filled in the details, click Get Rates. You'll see multiple carrier options categorized for your convenience. Cheapest service for the most budget-friendly option. Fastest service if you need your package to arrive as quickly as possible. And more. After selecting the best shipping option for you, click Buy a Label to proceed with your purchase. For international shipping, select the destination country and city, then enter the package details. That's it. You've now learned how to get a quick shipping rate with ShipSaving.